Game on like a bitch can't clear whole chill. Whole lot of shit on feel. Been caught bags, been to the Lewis. I been.
Hey y'all, it's Ty. Welcome back to my channel. So today, sis, I wanted to show y'all how I got my hair from that to this. So if you guys want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Okay, so can we just start off by acknowledging my growth? Like, first of all, comment down below if you've been watching my YouTube since I did the pixie cut or, you know, my finger waves. If you have, sis, I got a prize for you because you really my sis. But for those of you that don't know, probably like 2 years ago, I cut my hair down to short ass finger waves. And now it's growing back, but I want length. Like, my hair is very thin. It's naturally thin. My mom's hair is like that. That's just what it is. So Irresistibly Me sent me these bomb-ass clip-ins. Now, if I'm not mistaken, they are a 1B and a 27 ombre or balayage, whatever you want to call it. It's so cute. Like, their packaging was cute as fuck, and y'all know I'm a sucker for pink. So anything pink was like, I'm down for. So besides their packaging being like super cute, one thing that I found very, very helpful, especially if you are a beginner with clip-ins and you kind of don't know what you're doing, or your color matching to your real natural hair, whatever, they put a try me weft of clips, basically to show you how their clips are made, how the combs are on them, what the color is. So basically you can try them out, or try that one weft out before you go on ahead and open up the entire clip-ins if you decide to return. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So as you can see, the clip-ins are pretty long. I want to say they're about 22 to 24 inches. And y'all know I'm short anyway, so they were going to be long on me anyway. But in the total, I want to say it was about, I don't know how many clip-ins I used. I used all of them though, but I'm not sure how many. Now they did come with 4 of the 2 sets. So as you can see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now those have 2 combs, 1 on each end, as y'all can see. And then as far as like the bigger wefts, they did come with 2 of the 3 clips, which I love because my hair is super thin, so they match my hair best. Okay, so to start this install process, I'm just going to take a section of the back of my head. Y'all, my growth, I'm so proud of. Just by the way, it's been rice water, and I'll do a, you know, a growth update on my natural hair and all that stuff. But anyway, moving along. We are going to tease my hair. The reason why I'm doing this, and I'm only teasing the root, is because I have really thin hair. So it's a lot harder for the clips to grip onto my hair because it's so thin. And I don't want to do bigger sections because then that's just a mess. So yeah, I do smaller sections and I just tease and clip, and then I'll clip the other side and boom, they stay in. Okay, so for people with thin hair, you literally have to manipulate. They do have certain teasing brushes and teasing combs that you can use and all that stuff. I'm gonna use a regular ass comb because I don't got time. And not only that, but when I go on ahead, boom, I'll attach the clip in, I'll clip it in, I'll clip the other side in, and then I go on ahead and comb it. So technically, I don't want my hair to be matted up and teased at the root. It's just a little bit to basically help the clip hold on to something, if that makes sense. So they did give me one weft that was kind of like built like tracks. So if you can see, it almost looks like it has like 4 to 5 tracks stuck on one, and it has 4 clips. So this was the thickest track that the whole, you know, count had. So I'm gonna use that for the middle part of my head. I feel like that would be best for the middle part because the middle of my head is a little bit thicker, and not only that, but that's the thickest weft, so that would be best in the middle of my head. Now, I'm very aware that none of my lines are straight, none of my parting is straight. It does not have to be perfect. Honestly, if it's not completely straight and it's not perfect, that actually makes it more realistic. So, I'm fine with that. So altogether, these clip-ins are really, really thick. I think they're about 220 grams. So, you know, compared to my thin hair, of course, they made my hair feel very much more volume and stuff like that. But not only that, do y'all see the color blend? Do y'all see the color blend? Now, like I said, I think it's a 1B into a 27 ombre. But y'all, the color blend, I was kind of like nervous because I'm like, no, maybe my hair ain't that long. Maybe it's not going to blend in right. But actually, my hair fell just in the right place for it to ombre into the light brown. So everything worked out. So another big key to blending your hair with the clip-ins is basically your placement. Like, honestly, especially to the back corners of our head, we kind of forget that they are there. So that's why you might see my hair poking out a little bit. That is where I could have did my placement a little bit better, and I could have added, you know, a track or a weft onto that side, you know, just to make it look fuller, so you don't actually see where my hair ends and where the track begins. That makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to stop rambling, and I am going to come back when it is time for us to do our lovely baby hairs. Okay, so I did go on ahead and straighten the clip-ins with my hair as well, so that everything blended. And so to do my edges, I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel, not too much because I don't want I don't want my edges to curl up. Okay, I just want them to lay flat how I want them. So I'm taking my edge tamer brush and my Eco Styler, and yeah, I'm just finessing my baby hairs. That's all. So this is the end result. I love these clip-ins. These are more like my date night clip-ins. Like, I'll throw these in if I'm going out type shit. But they're so cute. Like, I love the ombre. That just adds something to it. I want to see what these look like curled. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.